What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it is an update on XEC, also known as Ecash, which has gone through a major pump in the last 24 hours. I wouldn't say it's the last 24 hours, probably around the last 2 to 3 hours guys. It has gone over 75% up, and we're going to be going through where is this crypto heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down? And essentially covering its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it, is it too late, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit, or is it time to simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, and going through its short term and long term prediction as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And also, on a positive note, Bitcoin has headed up over $67,000 guys, getting very close to its all-time high, which again, if it does manage to hit it, it will have a major positive impact on the crypto market. But let's focus on Ecash. So we are looking at the daily chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart here, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Ecash, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. Reason is looking so steep in the positive direction is quite clear. It's because of the major pump that's taken place over the last hour or two. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is not realistic at all. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Ecash to have taken a dip back down in value, trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason behind this is, yes, it is currently overvalued. It has gone through a major pump in value, which again makes it not sustainable. If it was about 10-15%, yes, I understand. However, going about 70% increase in about a space of half an hour to an hour is not really sustainable. So I'm expecting the crypto to take a little dip back down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours, even though in between that time it is likely to head higher than where it is at the moment. Overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Exact same reason as the previous chart that we saw, is looking too steep, meaning this is again not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Ecash to have once again gone through an overall drop in value. Trading around its SMA indicator here in purple is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. However guys, do expect the odd green day in between as well. It's going to be quite volatile with green and red days, but the red days are likely to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Ecash over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, again guys, the blue and the orange line are still not realistic. Again, literally the pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours has changed the whole graph, because it hasn't pumped up like this much in a while, and once it does, it's just going crazy. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, once again, I'm expecting a drop in value. However, it's not going to be a major drop. Reason behind that is, yes, it's likely to drop down around its SMA indicator here by mid-March, and then slowly starting to gain value late March, April, May, heading at a slightly higher value than the SMA indicator. Potentially around this price, between these two figures here, is where I'm expecting Ecash to be trading at by mid to late April 2024. However, if there are any updates or news that come across that can have a major impact on the value of Ecash, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, let's see why the crypto is not sustainable and why it is overvalued. As you guys can see, it has broken out from the red zone into the green zone. Fair enough, it has resisted over the last 2 days and right now has broken out. However, it broke out from the green zone into the dark green zone without any resistance, and same goes here as well into the blue zone. So it's literally gone past 2 resistance level without resisting. So that is another reason why it proves that the crypto is overvalued and is currently not sustainable, and very likely to go through a price correction over the coming days and week or two as well, because of how it broke out from the resistance targets without resisting a single bit. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 280% in the last 24 hours, making it $500 million in trading. And yes, I'm expecting the trading volume to go up even higher than where it is at the moment over the coming hours, as more and more people get to know about the pump. It is likely to get more attention, meaning more people start trading the crypto, and essentially the value of Ecash should also start to increase a little bit higher than where it is at the moment before it starts to dip back down later on this evening and in the early hours of tomorrow. So as you guys can see, we've got a little message from CoinMarketCap here. Bitcoin Cash, also known as ABC, has rebranded to Ecash XEC, which I am currently covering. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Ecash. So in the thumbnail, I put, can this crypto essentially hit 0.001 cents because of how much it's pumped? Personally, no, I'm not expecting it to hit that target. Not this year, not for most of next year either. However, guys, it depends on how the Bitcoin halving goes in April and how the crypto market performs as well. For example, crashes and pumps will have a major impact on these values, which I will of course keep you guys updated on. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Ecash to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.